Did you tell me to bring the electric scales?
Oh no, I don't think the ancient Greeks had invented them. I mean, they've got some kind of clever one where you put rocks on and stuff. I don't really know how they work, but...
We don't need scales, really. Can't we measure in a different way?
Well, actually, now you've said that, I obviously never go anywhere without my spoon collection.
Handy spoon collection.
You can't beat a spoon collection. So
It's
we
true.
can, in fact, if you haven't got scales at home, little chefs, or if you're in ancient Greece too, you can use spoons as long as you've remembered to take them. So spoons can be a bit complicated, so we're going to have a quick lesson in Know Your Spoons.
Know your spoons, because they confuse me quite a lot.
Oh, well, it was going to be a pop quiz for you, Chef Emily.
What?
Oh, I know.
What do I win? Cheesecake?
No, but you get fired if you get any wrong. I'm only joking, I wouldn't fire.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
This one's easy.
Potato spoon.
No. Do we know at home? It's a teeny tiny spoon. It is the smallest of the spoon family.
Pixie spoon.
No, it's not quite that small. You use it, traditionally, for eating petit falou yogurts. And also, if you add sugar to your tea, giving it a stir.
Teaspoon.
Yes, it's a teaspoon.
Excellent.
Okay, so you might see this in recipes sometimes. It'll say teaspoon. And when it means teaspoon, it sometimes just writes T-sp. T-S-P. Teaspoon.
Oh, I just thought it was like someone just goes at the end.
I don't know if we know what
Sentence.
teaspoon is in grams. I certainly don't, but Chef Shiv.
Shiv?
What's teaspoon in grams?
5 grams.
5 grams.
Amazing. So that's what you can use. You can use a teaspoon for 5 grams, and we'll be giving our recipes in spoons. Okay, it's going to get a little bit more tricky now. Okay, I'm going to show you them all at once. Let's get this one out of the way. This one's a bit useless. It's circular. I mean, it's good for checking your teeth.
Teaspoon.
No. You wouldn't need teeth to eat what you need with this. Eat with this.
Gruel spoon.
Close enough. It's a soup spoon.
Ooh, I love soup.
Did you get that one, little chefs? Maybe you did. Okay, it's round. You just use it for eating soup. We're not going to use it for measuring. It can go over here. Okay, so we have 2 remaining spoons. Here's our little spoon from earlier. That was a teaspoon.
Little spoon.
Little spoon. Okay. Oh.
Is it you just putting one further away from me?
Yes, this spoon is far away. No, this is a different size. It's smaller than this one. This is probably a bit long. It's what do we think this spoon is?
A spoon.
You use it for eating dessert. That's a big clue. It's sort of the name of the spoon.
Sticky toffee pudding spoon.
Oh, good guess. That's my favourite pudding as well. It's a dessert spoon.
Oh,
Ladies
simple.
and gentlemen, nice
Simple.
dessert spoon. You don't often get that in recipes, but you might.
Okay.
Okay. Do we know how many grams a dessert spoon is? We're not completely sure, but we've had a guess, haven't we, Chef Shiv?
It's 10.
10 grams for a dessert spoon. Very nice. Double a teaspoon. Okay, the final spoon.
The final spoon. So it's called the final spoon.
No, it's
Final.
not. It's not called the final spoon. Sorry, little chefs. Do any of you know? It's a big spoon. It's the biggest of the spoons. I'm always pleased when I accidentally
Giant
get it.
spoon. Ginormous spoon. Universe spoon.
No, what you traditionally do with this spoon, I've got no idea if this is why it's named that, is you put it on a table. It's a tablespoon, Chef Emily. It's a tablespoon. It's a tablespoon, little chef. I don't know if you got that. So it's and you might see this in a recipe. It says
Tbs.
spoon.
Tbs.
Yeah, tablespoon, exactly.
Tablespoon.
That means tablespoon. So you don't want to get your teaspoons and your tablespoons mixed up because they're quite a big size.
Well, how many
difference.
grams is that then?
Oh, I don't know. Chef Shiv?
15.
15 grams. 15 gram spoon isn't very catchy. That's why they call it tablespoon, I guess. Right.
Possibly.
Now we know our spoons.
Now I know my spoons. Now I know my spoons.
But what do we have here? These aren't spoons, are they, Chef Emily?
Well, then you're messing with me if they are.
These are cups. I hope everyone got that.
I would call that maybe a mug.
Fair enough, yeah.
Mug cup.
So what you can also do is you can measure in cups. So it doesn't really matter. I think there is a standard cup size. I don't know what it is. We're not going to worry about that. So the only thing that's important is you pick a cup or a mug or even a beaker or glass at home and you stick with it.
Tumbler.
Tumbler, exactly, that's a good word. So you just stick with it. So if it's 2 cups of flour and 2 cups of sugar, just use the same size cup basically.
Yeah.
All there is to it, simple.
There's a bit of wiggle room, especially in ancient Greece.